everyone, this is AJ Raval. Please come and visit Nailcessity.
Bago kabalen, welcome to Fernando Pampanga. Para sa video na to guys, we are back for the second time dito sa Nailcessity Nail Spa. And right now, meron na po siyang kasama na hair salon. So this is Ami. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go!
Hello everyone, this is AJ Raval. Please come and visit Ami Hair. Ayan ang gumawa sa hair ko ngayon, si Dexter.
Alright. Ano yan? Hi ma'am, hi sa vlog. What is up? Hello po ma'am. Last time we were here and nandun siya sa second floor ng Sapphire building. Now, they transferred dito sa ground level dahil pina-extend yung buong building dito. Mommy's here. So I remember the first time that we were here, comparing it dun sa unang location nila dito sa second floor. And this one is bigger. Meron na sila actually section for mga lashes, which is naka-bed talaga sila. Ayan. Eto sila guys. Ayan. And also for mga nail services naman, I think let's count siguro how many chairs do they have? Like 8. And including this one. And so dito kasi anong services dito ma'am?
Nail extension.
Nail extensions. This one is their hair and beauty lounge. Ito siya guys. And then the other side naman is their nail services. Thank you. Ano pong gown na? Welcome to Nailcessity.